afternoon and welcome everyone. I, Neha Chheda, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, will be assisting the Chairman and the company officials in conducting the 16th Annual General Meeting of Sealmatic India Limited. I extend my heartiest welcome to all the members, the directors, auditors, and the other dignitaries present at the meeting. Mr. Omar A.K. Balwa is the Managing Director of the company and the Chairman of the meeting. I now request the Chairman, sir, to take the chair and continue for the proceedings of the meeting.
Thank you, Neha. It's a pleasure to address this AGM for FY25. Esteemed shareholders, valued partners, colleagues, friends, and well-wishers, it is both an honor and a pleasure to submit our annual report for the financial year 2025. As I reflect on the year gone by, I am filled with gratitude for the resilience we have collectively shown, the milestones we have achieved together, and the direction we are heading as a company with a purpose and global relevance and great substance. The financial year 2025 will be remembered as a period of great achievement for Sealmatic. It was a year that also brought with it profound global challenges, dynamic economic realignments, regional conflicts, supply chain disruptions, and a climate that demanded exceptional leadership and adaptive strategy. And yet, amid all this, Sealmatic thrived and formed in our purpose and agile in our execution. I'm proud to report that FY25 Sealmatic achieved a remarkable 42% growth in turnover, driven by robust demand across India, Europe, North America, Africa, Middle East. Our profit before tax grew by 57% and profit after tax grew by 61%. Our earnings per share also improved significantly by 61% as compared to the previous year. The company's net worth also increased by 17% and it stands at INR 102 crores, a significant milestone and a reflection of our strong fundamentals. All this is testimony to the fact that demand for Sealmatic products is very strong and is being driven by the market in India, Europe, Middle East, North America, and other regions globally. In addition, our year-on-year order intake grew by 30% organically and sustainably, built on the back of value-added products, customer trust, and strategic execution. As global dynamics continue to evolve, marked by political shifts, inflation, and environmental urgency, leading OEM customers of Sealmatic worldwide have been vocal about the challenges and opportunities ahead. Many changes in the world socio-economic situation made 2024-2025 another demanding financial year. Sealmatic significantly increased its investment in FY 2025, focusing on the technology and sustainable modernization, as well as on expanding and increasing the efficiency of our production capacities. Sealmatic has created new best practice standard for the operation of mechanical seals and systems around their life cycle for energy-intensive industries such as power generation, oil and gas, chemical, and water desalination. This will address growing demand for industrial energy efficiency. Sealmatic engineered mechanical seals offer a comprehensive solution that tackles this inefficiency from identification through to improvement and monitoring. During the year, we expanded our global footprint to over 63 countries, a testament to the growing trust in our sealing solutions. Our sealing technologies are being applied to some of the most demanding applications such as nuclear reactors, oil refineries, naval submarines, onshore and offshore applications, pharmaceutical, food processing, and other critical process sectors. In the Middle East, Europe, and USA, we are currently expanding our footprints to support various OEMs and end users. A cornerstone of our global expansion is the launch of SealTech LLC in Abu Dhabi, a joint venture aimed at delivering world-class service capabilities, addressing the needs of major customers like ADNOC, OEMs like Sundyne, Sulzer, KSB, Ibara, Rohrpumpen, and host of other EPCs such as Mary, Tecnimont, Taipem, PG, Worley, Wood Group, and many other important customers. The UAE mechanical seal market, valued at nearly $70 million, is now a strategic opportunity for us, and this service center will go live by August 2025. Similar activities which were in an exploratory stage are now getting momentum, being conducted in Oman, Kuwait, and Qatar. For the Middle East region, a state-of-the-art service center which is similar to Abu Dhabi is under discussion in Oman, Kuwait, and Qatar. Our participation in prestigious global exhibitions in FY 2025 was both significant and impactful. This includes ACHEMA in Germany, Offshore Technology in Houston, USA, Turbo Machinery and Pump Symposium in Texas, Houston, USA, Oil and Gas Power in India, ADIPEC in Abu Dhabi, Egypt in Cairo in Egypt, SABIC in Saudi Arabia. These exhibitions not only provided visibility but also provided instrumental strengthening customer relationships, building brand equity, and securing long-term contracts with global OEMs and EPCs. Other important exhibitions that we are participating in the near future are the Defense Expo in Chennai, Pump Symposium again in September 2025, Rotic in Abu Dhabi in UAE, WEFTEC in Chicago, USA, India Energy Week in Goa in February 2026, Mine Exchange in Utah in USA in February 2026, Chemtech Mumbai in Feb 2026, and many other exhibitions. Our drive towards penetration in various markets is relentless, and we are committed to establishing Sealmatic as a global player, or rather, I would say that we are already a globally recognized player. Our global markets export to more than 63 countries have demonstrated a longevity along with year-on-year growth, and they will remain essential even as new markets will emerge in the future. At Sealmatic, R&D and innovation is not a department, it is the DNA of our organization. We continue to invest significantly in our R&D centers where we have commissioned advanced test rigs and developed cutting-edge gas sealing technologies for critical sectors. We also introduced high-efficiency sealing systems that enhance equipment lifecycle, reduce emissions, and lower energy consumption, thus delivering tangible operational value to our customers. Our focus on critical applications, including API-6 compliant oil and gas mechanical seals, nuclear, naval and marine, and high-pressure, temperature, pressure applications remain a key differentiator. They are mission-critical needs where reliability is non-negotiable, and Sealmatic continues to be the partner of choice for such critical applications. Looking ahead, we have laid the groundwork for our 2030 and beyond strategy, which seeks to align our long-term goals with evolving needs of our customers, market trends, and sustainability necessities. This strategy focuses on strengthening our presence in high-potential geographies, continuing investment in R&D for next-generation sealing solutions, building regional service centers, specifically in Middle East region, to reduce turnaround time and enhance customer proximity, deepening our technical and engineering capabilities through talent and digitalization, leveraging our Sealmatic 2030 vision to grow with structure, focus, and agility. Through this roadmap, we aim to make Sealmatic faster, stronger, and more sustainable. Across the world, the past year saw significant geopolitical and economic events that had far-reaching consequences. The war in Ukraine continued to disrupt energy supply chain. The Red Sea shipping disruption raised transportation costs and created logistic bottlenecks across Asia and Europe. Inflationary pressures and interest rates hikes remained key concerns for both developed and emerging markets. While Southeast Asia and India emerged as attractive manufacturing hubs, India in particular stood out not just for its strong GDP growth, but also for its political stability, a successful general election, and government-led initiative in infrastructure, defense, and industrial development. In parallel, global conversations around climate change, carbon neutrality, and energy transition gained momentum. Countries committed to their green goals and industries across sectors began accelerating innovation in efficiency, emissions reduction, and sustainable operations. It was this environment of complexity and transformation that Sealmatic not only held its ground, but advanced its global mission with strength and clarity. Working with best-in-class global OEM customers like KSB, Kirloskar, Rohur Pumpen, Sulzer, ITT, and many others reinforces two consistent themes: resilience in geopolitical uncertainty and action-oriented sustainability. These OEM customers teach us themes of global industrial resilience, which is rooted in sustainability, operational excellence, and forward-looking innovation. Their rich experience and strategies have taught us with meaningful benchmarks, thus helping us to align with industry best practices, embrace global trends, and reinforce our relevance on the world stage. Referencing this OEM validates our positioning in high-stakes critical sectors such as energy, chemicals, water, etc., and highlights the growing OEM focus on pump efficiency, life cycle extension, and sustainability. Behind the numbers are our people. Our dream team, from design engineering to workshop technicians, from field services engineers to commercial managers, have worked tirelessly with integrity and purpose to keep Sealmatic moving forward. I extend my deepest appreciation to each of you. Your parts make all the difference. In addition, our CSR initiatives in education, destitute care, women empowerment, and healthcare have continued with renewed focus. We're not just building a business, we're building a better tomorrow for our communities. In closing, I want to sincerely thank our shareholders, our customers, our employees, and our partners who walk with us every step of the way. The year ahead will come with its own new set of opportunities and uncertainties. But one thing is certain, that Sealmatic is ready to lead, ready to adapt, ready to create an impact. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now request Chairman Sir to conclude the meeting with his closing remarks.
Thank you, Neha, once again, and
Thank you, sir.
thank you for the attention. We remain committed to being a technology leader, a responsible corporate citizen, and a dependable global partner. We may not be as large as the multinational companies, but we are as good as them. And in many ways, more agile, more personal, and more connected to a mission and vision. I thank you very much for being part of this incredible journey. Thank you very much.